Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to insert SIM card in ACER X6E router. So the first thing you should know is the ACER X6E is available in two different versions, with the 5G and without 5G. So it's possible that you don't have the SIM card entrance on your router. And as you can see here on the reverse of our router, we have this cover, and we can open it. As you can see here on this cover, we have SIM card, reset button, and USB cable. So we can open this cover, and as you can see here we have the place for the SIM card. And as you can see, this is the place for new format SIM cards. So this is the nano SIM, the latest one, and we can easily insert it in our router. So insert it and press on it until you will hear click sound. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.